Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone and watch are ready. Confirm iOS and watchOS updates first, because new features require current software. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and sign into your Apple ID so data syncs. Bring the watch within inches of the phone. The pairing prompt appears automatically. Tap Continue, center the animation in the camera frame, and follow the setup assistant. This establishes a secure connection and begins syncing health, notifications, and Apple Watch settings so you can use core features immediately. Once paired, you configure the watch for your daily use. Choose your wrist and create a passcode to secure payments and health data. This matters for Apple Pay and medical ID. Make deliberate choices for notifications and health access so you receive only critical alerts. Install essential apps from the Watch tab in the iPhone's Watch app and arrange the dock and complications for quick access. Make sure to enable location sharing for maps and safety features. This improves continuity between devices and preserves battery life through smart wake settings. Now you use the watch. Raise your wrist to glance, tap or swipe to navigate, and press the digital crown for apps. Use Siri for hands-free commands. Charge the watch nightly. Enable low-power mode during long days to extend battery life. For routine maintenance, check app updates and restart occasionally. If pairing fails, restart both devices, confirm updates, toggle Bluetooth, then repair through the Watch app. This resolves most connection issues. Finally, restore from backup only if problems persist. This preserves settings and avoids starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.